This is how we at Everyworks Singapore perform marble polishing services. Step 1. Surface cleaning and grinding. The marble surface will first be cleaned before undergoing the grinding process. This removes the surface defections and prepares the marble for the next step. Step 2. Buffering. Industrial-grade diamond powder is used to smooth and shine the marble, as well as remove scratches and stains. This helps ensure a uniform appearance on the marble surface. Step 3. Polishing. This step returns the natural shine of your marble floor before it is rinsed and cleaned to remove any additional powder residue. Check out the difference before and after our marble polishing service. If you are looking for marble polishing services, WhatsApp us now at 824100032.